All right, I wanted to make a really quick video. I'm not going to make this long. There is a new scam going around in particular, Facebook Messenger. I haven't seen it on any other platform, but it's running rampant on Facebook Messenger. If you have a shop or a retail account on Facebook and or any other Facebook platform, this is like maybe the sixth or seventh message I've gotten on Facebook Messenger in the last 2 days. It's an obvious, no, this isn't Spanish. It's an obvious scam, and I want to show you how. Let me pull one of the English. Da, 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 da. I'm gonna pull one of the English. Okay, here we go. This is the scan that's going around. So it's a American/English name, but this is what they say: "Hello shop, your product is very poor quality. One friend of mine bought it. I only use it for 2 days, and it is broken. Check back with me." This is an image of the product you purchased. And then they send you a zip file that they want you to click open and look at that picture they're sending. Now, three things caught my attention. For one thing, I do not sell products, I sell services in my personal life, professional life. So I don't have any products. So that's the first red flag. I'm like, product? What product? I sell services. Second red flag is they speak broken English with a predominantly white Western name. And they'll have like pictures of like a random white person that looks like, just anybody's mom or dad in America. So they wouldn't speak broken English if that were the case. Another red flag is the zip file. Nobody sends pictures in a zip file. If you're going to send a picture, it's a picture, a PNG or JPEG image. Now, if you click on that zip, it will inject a virus into your phone and or computer. There's been if you're familiar with the Chrome cookie YouTube hack that a lot of hackers have been issuing out, they'll send you a PDF file. You click on it, it'll actually pass virus scans on your computer. However, that PDF file copies all of your cookies and or saved passwords. They log into all your accounts and have access to everything, banks, YouTube, everything. So the zip file is another notorious compressed file that can house and or hold numerous viruses in there. So if you see, just make sure, I don't know if they're sending this to people, just regular people that have Facebook pages, personal pages. I have a business account, but I'm sure they're sending it to everybody. But just be very, very careful. Again, I've gotten about 7 of these in the last 2 days. Just look for the red flags. Somebody with an English speaking, typical white Westerner is not going to speak broken English. So it's obviously a foreigner that wrote this. And again, something's off a little bit. Well, again, I don't sell products. I sell services. So I don't have products, and they wouldn't have a picture of my product because I don't sell products. Broken English, zip file, huge red flag. I am flagged all these messages, the accounts that send them, and then I'm also blocking and or banning these accounts that send these. And I've already deleted a few of them, but I wanted to keep 1 or 2 on my phone so I can make a video about this. So just be careful on Facebook Messenger. I have not seen it on Telegram yet. Not that often I'm on WhatsApp, but I have been on Facebook Messenger talking to customers and stuff like that recently. So just be very careful. If you see, make sure you read everything in detail before you click stuff, because if you click that, it's going to inject something either into your phone or your computer, and you're going to be screwed. So, and if you do happen to click on it and you notice this later after the fact, change all your passwords immediately. And then also, I suggest you do this immediately as well. I have a Where did it go? Do. Hang on. Get you one of these. Where the hell is it? Just put it away. It is this. Get you one of these. A physical USB key. It's an encrypted key that nobody can sign into your account, because what they're trying to do is sign into your account. Once you click that, they're going to inject your phone or your computer with a virus. They're trying to get into your accounts to either wipe your bank accounts, your crypto accounts, access any information that can gain them money, basically. So if that has happened to you, if you did click it and you're, viewing this channel afterwards, trying to get some information on it, change your passwords immediately to every account you have, and then buy you one of these and then sign this up. It's a secure physical security key. You cannot sign in to an account. So if somebody has even if somebody has your password and they live in, Brazil, if they try to sign in with your username and your password, they still Google or I think Facebook has this as well. They'll still ask for this physical key even if you have your username and password. So, and they will not let you sign in unless you do this third step by plugging it into the USB port. It's a physical security key that will only let you access the account if you plug this in when signing in with the username and password. You can use this. They sell this on the Google Play Store. I've done a couple of videos on this before. It's about $30, but you can link this to as many accounts as you want. Be careful though. I wouldn't link over, a ton of accounts on this just in case you lose this. We have a few of them in the home. We've signed up maybe 6, 7, or 8 accounts in our home with this. So get you and regardless, even if nobody's hacked your stuff, go ahead and get you one of these. It just makes your accounts extra safe, extra secure, so you don't have any mishaps and you stay ahead of the hackers. But a physical security key is a must nowadays. But just be careful about that Facebook hack. Facebook scammers, they are on the hunt and looking for people to click on their corrupted files. So please be careful, stay safe. If you got any questions, or if it happened to you and you don't know what to do, give me a holler, comment section, whatever. My contact information's on our YouTube page, and I'll be as much help as I can. And if I see anything else, I will update y'all on the issue. Bye.